Searching or Googling for information online has been a core benefit of the internet for many years. In fact, it's hard to imagine what we all did to source answers to our everyday questions before search engines became a part of our lives. But like many things we pick up through doing, we sometimes miss some of the key features that can make digital technologies more useful. So let's start by focusing on words we use when we're searching. Generic terms are pretty unhelpful, especially if you get millions of search responses. The ones on the first few pages will often be influenced by AdWords or paid search engine rankings, so you're better off being more specific in your search. You might get less results, but they will be more relevant. For example, if you are looking to train your new puppy, rather than typing in "how to train my puppy," try searching for Golden Retriever puppy training tips to get more specific results. Another trick is to use quotation marks around an exact phrase that you're looking for. So if you want to find chocolate chip cookie recipe, putting your search term inside quotation marks will help the search engine bring up exact matches to what you are seeking instead of just related results. If there are certain words that keep showing up in your search results that you don't want, you can use the minus sign to exclude them. For example, if you want to search for cats but don't want kittens to show up, you can search for cats minus kittens using the minus sign. Once you've got the hang of these basic techniques, you can start using more advanced ones to refine your search even further. How about searching using words such as and, or, and not to help narrow down your results to find exactly what you're looking for? For example, chocolate chip cookies and raisin cookies, not with refined sugar. You can also search for a specific type of file by using the file type command. This one is a little more tricky, so let me give you an example. To use the file type command in Google Search, follow these steps. Open your web browser and go to google.com. In the Google search bar, type your search query such as small business e-commerce results June 2023, followed by a space. Then add the file type operator, followed by the desired file extension without any spaces. For example, if you are looking for a PDF file, you would type small business e-commerce results, file type PDF. This will ensure you only get search results that are PDFs. But this function is not limited to just PDFs. If you want to search for PowerPoint presentations related to social media strategies, type the following into the search bar: social media strategies, file type PPT. This search query will return results that contain PowerPoint presentations, PPT files, related to marketing strategies. There are plenty of other file extensions such as Doc, DocX, XLS, XLSX. This is really useful if you need to find information but you are only interested in certain types of information, which aren't the most popular search responses. If you use these search tips, it will be much easier to find what you're looking for, and you'll know that the information is from a reliable source.